up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever, I swear.
It's the big hair for me. Dash Squad. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Dash Squad. If you are returning to my channel, thank you for being here. So I have another hair review for you guys today by Celie hair. They always send me great units. I have reviewed a couple units on my channel. If you want to see those, please look at some more of my videos. So I have put on the screen the unpackaging of this box. So they included a lot of goodies, which again, it will be on the screen before you guys. And let's get right into this unit. So I'm excited. I've done a unit similar to this before, but I don't think I've done a full 13x4. So look how nice this unit looks. I don't have to bleach it. Everything looks perfect. These curls look bomb, and it's long. Who don't love long hair? So I know we're getting ready to transition from the summer, but the summer isn't over yet. So let's get right into this unit.
Real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. I say you the fucking. Oh, you got a roommate. Call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I be over there. Real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. I say you the fucking. Oh, you got a roommate. Call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I be over there.
messed up my baby hairs, but y'all, this lace is beautiful. I just messed up my baby hair, so I can't show you how good the lace is, but look at this part. And it's so soft, like the hair is so soft. So I'm gonna comb it out, as you guys can see, so I can show you like how good these curls are. And this is a 24-inch or a 26-inch. Everything will be in the description box for you. I'm just trying to comb it out with my hands so I don't use the brush. I want a finger comb it out. And then I'm gonna wet it for you guys. But look how beautiful this hair is. Like,
all single lights, now put your hands up in the club, just broke up, I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, and now you want a trip, cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me, don't pay him any attention. You cried my tears, get 3 good years, kids can't be mad at me. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see that he want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it.
so this lace is like really good. Again, I messed up on my baby hairs. I have a difficult time doing it, but that doesn't take away from how good the lace is. So I'm just gonna show you guys by parting the hair how I don't have to add any concealer. I did not bleach this unit. It came just like this right out of the box, and look how perfect the parts are.
I want this forever, I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best.
So tell me what you guys think of this hair. Everything will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, it's definitely giving everything it needs to give. It is Big Head Friends.
Real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything, other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever, I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon'